physician stapled the laceration of scalp. Physician stapled. Staple can be, it's a coding material or not?
Coding material.
It's a coding material. Okay, correct. So you can code that. Scalp, you can code. So also further, physician used steri strips, that is adhesive strips, to close the wound of face. On face, he has used what material? So can we code this?
No.
Code this. Okay, because only he has used steri strips to close wound on face. So face, you can entirely ignore that portion. Okay, you don't need to worry about face now because he has used non-codable coding material, steri strips. Next, further, the legs and arms were cleansed by heavily irrigated. Legs and arms were cleansed by heavily irrigated. What is this keyword?
Intermediate.
It's an intermediate repair. Okay, so they've clearly mentioned they have did an irrigation. Irrigation will come in when they want to cleanse the contamination. They will do the irrigation procedure. Okay, this keyword initial itself I have told you. So now it belongs to intermediate repair. So on leg and arms were cleansed by heavily irrigated. That is, on this legs and arms are what kind of repair? They are closed with intermediate repair. Okay, intermediate repair. Further, followed with that, single layer closure is utilized. Okay, though they have utilized single layer closure, but it is what kind of repair? Intermediate repair. Okay, maybe based on the severity they might have utilized single layer closure. Okay, it doesn't change that you cannot consider it as a simple repair when you find that contamination and irrigation. Okay, so if irrigation is not there, contamination is not there, only single layer closure they have given, then what kind of repair you will take? Simple repair you will take. But here the wound is contaminated and they did the irrigation procedure. So it goes to intermediate repair. And so now the first 3 centimeter of dermis laceration on scalp utilized with the staple, only staple they are utilizing. It usually goes to simple repair because they did not highlight any other complexities. Okay, 3 centimeter on scalp will be coded with simple repair. So tell me what is the code for 3 centimeter laceration on scalp?
12024.
120024. Simple repair. This is a simple repair. Okay. So simple repair includes scalp, neck. First anatomical grouping itself has a scalp and we have 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter code is 12002. Okay, you got one code which is correct. 12002 is correct. So next what you have to do, you have to check the intermediate repair, that is about arm and leg. Okay, so you can see here what is the guideline will be applicable. The leg and arms were cleansed by heavily irrigating them with a normal saline and removal of embedded debris performed on both wounds. So first tell me, the legs and arms fall in same anatomical grouping or not?
No.
Is it?
No.
No.
So have you all checked? Okay, wait. This is why I told you initial itself that many students will make
Extremity.
See here.
Arms and legs are included, ma'am. Extremities.
Wait. 12031 repair of intermediate wounds of scalp, axilla, trunk and or extremities. Okay, there is extremities in 12031. What is excluded? Only hands and feet. Only hand and feet is excluded from 12031. Okay, so now first understand. So you guys told me that they are not falling in the same group. So 12031 has extremities, and one more anatomical grouping. What is that? 12041. Here we are having what kind of things? Neck, hands and feet. Only hands and feet. Our question is not about hands and feet. It is about legs and arm. Okay. So that's why I added the anatomy also. Extremities means it includes shoulder, arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, hand, finger, hip, thigh, knee, leg, ankle, foot, toes. Okay. So the excluding portion in the first 12031 is hand is not included in extremity. Foot is not included in extremity. Okay. So now are the arm and leg is included in 12034 or not in this location?
No, yes, ma'am.
Why?
3-4.
No, my question is extremities, arm and leg is an extremity or not?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why no? Why not? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Included only.
Extremities means it is a many different things will come. That's why I added just extremity include all of these things. Okay. So in our 12034, this particular first 12031, they are just saying intermediate of wounds of scalp, axilla, trunk or extremities, excluding hands and feet. Okay, in 12031, the only two parts are not included, that is hands and feet. Okay, if you get a question regarding hands and feet, then you will take the code from 12041. So in this anatomical grouping, we have a space for hands and feet. Okay, so in our question, they are talking about leg and arms. Okay, so both are falling in the same group or not now?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Yes.
Same group.
Same.
Okay, extremities. We have to take extremity. So now check. Now what is the coding guideline if they fall in same anatomical grouping?
Some of the
We have to add the centimeter.
10 centimeters.
So right arm is about 5 centimeter. Right leg is about 5 centimeter. Together 10 centimeter you are getting. Okay, so what will be your code for 10 centimeter?
12034.
12034. Okay, so what will be your answer?
Option D.
Option D is the answer. Okay, 12034 and 12002 with 59 modifier. So here you can ask me a question. Why we have utilized 59 modifier to 12002? So according to the coding guideline, so which one is severe one? So here, compared to intermediate repair and simple repair, which one is severe one?
Intermediate.
Intermediate is severe one. Okay, so the guideline says, see here, the guideline says less complicated. Which one is less complicated?
Simple.
Simple. Okay. So for simple repair, they have given 59 modifier. Okay, is everyone understood this question? This is an exam question. So, is anyone have any particular doubt?
No, ma'am. Now I am clear.
No, clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear, ma'am.
So one more question you can see. So this is easy. Again, this falls like